Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Blaze AMOLED 2 has been released. It aims to stand out with a premium feeling design. Take a look specifications. The smartphone paired with a 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Battery will be 5000 mAh with support of 33 watt fast charging. Now talk about the performance. Smartphone will be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7064 nanometer chipset with a 2.6 GHz octa-core CPU. The phone handles daily tasks and even some gaming with ease. There will be 50 megapixel single camera back on the phone. It can take decent photos in good lighting. And front camera will be 8 megapixel. Smartphone will be AMOLED touchscreen display with 6.67 inches screen size and resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, offering vibrant colors and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. There will be under-display optical fingerprint reader. Smartphone will run on Android 15 operating system. That's all for now. Guys, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.